Hi all, welcome to this Tracker channel. So guys, this question about the YouTubers. So after monetization my channel, how we can upload the videos, what are the pattern will be follow? Lot of question in mind by so many peoples. That question will be unclear here. Before that, any video uploading before time that we can setting your particular gender options, channel setting, advanced setting, future eligibility, this all will we can check any video before uploading that visibility will be unlisted is compulsory important. Any video we can post will be unlisted more of important. After that, what are the chapters are eligible, standard, education, English, and what are the users rating, that all will be. And monetization. Monetization, display ad, overlay ad, sponsor cards, skippable video ads, non-skippable. So those options. Here, first of all, video is I'm uploading here. So what are the video we are making in this? First of all, just copy and upload it. Just drag and drop. So after this one, we can add your particular title. So as the same one, we can add your description part. That done. We can keep it by the 3 hashtags. We keep it by the 3 hashtags. So that will be adding by 3 hashtags. Now, just scroll down. We can create image purpose using for Canva option. The Canva will be creating will be. So here will be what are the playlists you can add it here. That add your all playlists will be here. So how many playlists you want, you can add the n number of playlists. That is your own wish. You can add the playlist will be here. So in a one video, how many playlists we can use? We can use number of playlists related to your particular option. That is a compulsory important by the each and every particular channels. Now, so here, next one. So this all will be based on the SEO score out of 50, 36.7. This score we can give option name is called VIQ toolbar. So this will be, we can log in with your extension and use this extension will be in a particular YouTube SEO score purpose. This already previous video I created. Please follow the previous video. You can get the clarity about this VIQ toolbar. So here. We can this. Next. What are the videos are uploading here? Those I'm using for long title. This will be exist for more than 500. So next will be, I can mention by the recording date. Here I'm not mentioning any video location. Everything is a common, my category, everything will be common. I don't change any option. Next, here, this is nothing but monetization. This is nothing but when I'm turn on for continuity, is I'm owner of this content. When I enable this feature, Anyone try to upload my video within some type of seconds when uploading time, you will get the strike. So that is the future of content edit future. This will be assigned type will be web, not for the web series and not for the TV serials. This will be web purpose. If I'm stop any ownership in a particular countries, we can go to option will be here. Own is in selected earners, own anywhere excepting for select earners. But ownership will be global wise. That is called this video. Some countries are not accepted. That will be disabled. That future will be here. Next, always remember this is a very important. If your video will more than 8 minutes, we can decide which second you can play the ad or which minute you can play the ad will be. We can decide will be your wish. So most of the ads will be don't play for in regular. They will be affected by the your viewers will be not interested show to the video option. So that is called we can give by maximum 3 or 4 or 5 max. But everyone looking for earnings, understanding. But don't give the more ads. They will be irritated by the customers. Submit by rating. This will be nothing but ad suitability. Suppose you have any shocking content, violence, adult content, anything, you have to mention properly information. If you not mention, is not safe for ads, they will be intimate directly, you will be not suitable for the ads purpose. That means by you're not getting for proper earnings. That is called ineligible or low monetization. That is all will be shown to the customers in a particular montage option. So montage future, this is a very important. They will be checking for your corporates also. Next one, the option name is called, we can add by the end cards and end screens. That will be very important. So end cards will be 5, end screen will be 4. So those options we can select it will be here. I'm selecting will be playlist. What are the playlists you want? Select by the your particular playlist, and so most of the them you can add your playlist will be very much of important. What is the reason is called, in a one video you can add only that people will watch the video and this will skip. When you click the playlist, at a time we can play the n number of videos. And most of the important, if you have any issues, corporate clients, ad suitabilities, suppose you have any violence content, anything, the into mark will be shown to customer will be here. So this will be very careful to upload the video. Before upload video, you have any corporate strikes, they will intimate before uploading the videos. If you have any corporate strikes, immediately they will be getting will be not uploading on your particular channel. They will be not suitable by your ads. That mean by your loss your earnings. Click for next. Finally, that video will be posting for unlisted mode. And why we can call unlisted? What is it called public? What is called private? Unlist nothing but when I'm sharing any link to the any particular customer, they can watch video. But any people will be searching by YouTube search results, the video will be can't visible to the customers. Owner can see the video, but viewers when will be searching the video, they can't show by the YouTube search results. So that is unlisted. Private nothing but owner can see the video. Remaining people when share the link also, they can't see the video. Which user will be selected in this private? The user will be selecting by the private option. Public with the premier. Premier nothing but instant live. Right now I can go to live without any kind of softwares. Next one, schedule with the premier. In a particular, every 15 minutes, we can schedule post. Suppose 2, 2:15, 2:30, like this, not 2:24, 2:21, not like that. Every 15 minutes, the schedule will be. Coming to the mobile version is completely different. But desktop will be like every 15 minutes will be schedule will be accepted. So in this, next one, members only. Suppose you have any specific giant membership option is there, that we can selecting for the membership purpose only. That is the members only we can watch this video. When you click in the members, all channel members, basic level and higher WordPress, all channel members. I'm clicking for publish. So those options we can creating for in a particular options. So anything you will be create public with instant premiere, schedule. Suppose today will be here. Now is it 12:54. My scheduled post will be 5 p.m. Set premiere and schedule. So exactly 5 p.m. my post will be scheduled will be started on my YouTube channel. So those intimations we can clearly mention by here. Go to community tab, select video. Which video is going to the premiere? Select it. Copy the text. We have to intimate by the your community tab option and post it. In a community tab, we can schedule also will be accepted. In a community tab, we can schedule also will be accepted. So the whole will be schedule post also will be there. What time? So we can schedule post will be accepted here. So those is a YouTube community tab option. So clear? Any YouTubers, we can after monetization, lot of options are there. Content ID, some channels are not visible. That is a depend on channels. The option will be visible to the customers. Content ID features that mean by once you enable that your owner of this video, anyone can try to upload that video within a fraction of second, they will be strike on your particular YouTubers. So focus this particular option and upload video on YouTube channel. If you have any question after montage, any bugs or issues, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.